Best eBook Publishing Platforms 2022. Fancy publishing your own ebook but have no idea how to do it? We'll take you through the best publishing platforms that make the process super easy. Top 7 ebook publishing platforms. Smashwords. Cost, free. Royalties, 60% from retailer, 80% from Smashwords store. Smashwords is one of the best ebook aggregator sites out there. Upload your book with them and it'll reach Apple Books, Barnes and Noble, Kobo and loads more retailers and library networks. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Cost, free. Royalties, up to 70%. Amazon sells an absolutely huge number of ebooks, so their publishing platform, Amazon KDP, is massively popular too, and through it, you're able to reach a vast audience. Draft2 Digital. Cost, free. Royalties, up to 60%. This is a slightly newer site in the aggregator game and has a sleeker, more modern design than the old school Smashwords, its main rival. Cost, free. Royalties, 45%. Another up-and-coming ebook aggregator site, Lulu will distribute your ebook to all the major retailers, including Amazon. Kobo Writing Life. Cost, free. Royalties, up to 70%. Kobo is a pretty big ebook retailer, although not on the same level as Amazon or Apple. It's available in close to 200 countries. Barnes & Noble Press. Cost, free. Royalties, 70%. Formerly Nook Press, this is the official Barnes & Noble ebook publishing site. They're a huge retailer in the US and have a big audience here in the UK too. Where should you publish your ebook? When choosing a publishing platform, there are a whole host of different things to consider. Firstly, most publishing sites will fall into one of the following two categories. They sell books direct to readers. These sites function as ebook retailers, online shops, as well as publishers, and include the likes of Amazon, Apple Books and Barnes & Noble. They distribute your ebook to a number of retailers, known as aggregators. These sites will distribute your book to a number of retailers, including the ones listed above. The second option sounds more appealing. Surely more retailers means more customers, right? But bear in mind they normally take a slice of your earnings. Also, remember that a huge proportion of ebook sales are through Amazon alone. So, how do you choose a platform that's right for you? As with anything, look at a few and compare their key features. How much do they charge for converting or hosting your book? Heads up, most don't charge anything. Do you need your own ISBN number? Can you submit your book as a Word document? Which formats will your book be converted to? EPUB, short for electronic publication, is the most common and most versatile ebook format, but some sites may use different ones. How long does conversion take? Can you download the converted EPUB if you need to? It's handy for marketing purposes. Can you transfer it to another publishing platform if you want to later on? How long will it take for your book to hit the stores? Which stores? How much will you earn on each sale? Royalties? Don't forget your publishing platform and the store will both want a cut. When will you get paid, how, and in what currency?